And then he has a straight light nose and he has a pink bow.
All right, Lucille, what do you think? What do you think's in this box here?
Shoes for me.
No, you got shoes right there.
Oh. I don't know. Maybe it's for you.
You like these shoes?
Yeah.
Did you clean them?
Yeah?
Do you know how to clean your own shoes? You did? Let's see. Did you do a good job on these? These are pretty nice. How old are these? These are 2010. These shoes are 10 years old. But she knows how to clean her own shoes. These weren't her shoes initially, though. We bought them, and then she cleaned them up. But now I got a pair of shoes. Wonder which ones they are. Which ones do you think?
Your shoes.
Do you think they look like those?
Yeah.
Where are these?
Your shoes.
Who is
Barbie
that?
doll? Elsa.
I always open the box upside down. Every time. So I got a size 10. I usually wear a size 10, 10 and a half. Alright, Lucille, open it up.
Okay.
Oh, this way. Yeah. Bye.
I was right!
They look like these?
Yeah, I was right!
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see. Those are pretty nice. I've always been a fan of the 13s, but they never really looked that good on me because they're always so bulky.
I wish I could tweak the top.
I wear Jordan 1s and 3s most of the time,
Can I just turn it up one?
but this came with a 3M this time. Suede is nice as well. These are nice. They don't look bulky until you put them on. But this is 2010. 2010 came with a 3M material as well. Looks like. Look, Lucille. Got a daddy and a baby one. You wear these ones. I'll wear this one. You wear this one?
That's not even my size.
What size? Is this your size?
Yeah.
Hey, Barbie, can wear those. I think the first time I saw these was in '98 when these first came out. These first were released in '98. But
Outfit!
back in the day, we used to hoop in these. We used to hoop in the Jordans because they weren't as like iconic as they are now. So you just wore them.
Daddy, I have a secret.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, so I remember playing at the YMCA and the Concords, and people would step on them and you'd be upset for a little while, but yeah. And nowadays, you know, but at least I know how to fix your shoes now, and that's how I got into restoring shoes. Is not being afraid to wear my shoes, and learning how to clean them and restore them. So, kind of got more involved in that, and then found out about Rejuvenator and started using their products, and then found out about Vic and how he restores shoes. started learning some tips and tricks, and I learn every time I restore shoes. I learn a little bit more. But these are nice. So maybe I will keep these. I don't know. I always say that, and like I haven't wore half the shoes behind me anyway, so.
Daddy, after your turn, I'm gonna do, okay?
Still haven't wore these yet, even. But she wears hers. But yeah, that's it. Jordan 13 Flint. Pretty nice. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Also follow Rescue Kicks at Instagram, at Rescue Kicks. I'm trying to post daily, and I'm posting a new video at least once a week. Stuff like this, and I got a restoration on the Jordan 3 Fire Reds coming up soon. That one's gonna be fire. Those things are already looking good, so I'm just trying to swap out the tabs. It takes hours and hours, and then I'll speed it up into 10 minutes for a video. So, thanks for watching.
Now, for 2 this is an elephant, and they start water, and they like eating what?
What do they like to eat?
Peanut.
Look at this, bro.
Peanuts.
Feel that elephant. Does it feel like this?
Yeah.
Feel this.